I almost didn't make it to the Netherlands. Fifth year college ako noon, graduating then. A classmate told me her sister was an au pair here in the Netherlands and their agency is coming to the Philippines to recruit new au pairs. 1 year lang kasi yung kontrata ng mga au pairs dito eh. So, they need replacements. We checked the requirements. First step is to have your own passport. Walk-in pa noon sa DFA. Excited na ako. Parang ang lapit na. And then, nung finally it's my turn, nag-shutdown yung system ng DFA. I didn't get to apply my passport, I missed that batch, and I went home thinking, maybe it's not for me, siguro hindi talaga to para sa akin. But September came, another application opened. I applied again, I got interviewed, accepted, and then attended the orientation in Olongapo on December. And then on January, I have my first interview with my host family. There were 3 of us, and they chose me. Voila! After that, everything moved fast. Visa processing sa Dutch Embassy in Makati and attended the CFO seminar in Pasay. And then nung February na, I was on a plane to the Netherlands. Grabe, ang bilis. Now, when I look back, I don't see rejection anymore. I see timing. Because if I left earlier, my story would have been different. Just remember that some doors don't stop you. They shape you. What's meant for you won't rush you. And it won't miss you either.